Thank you for calling Samansiri Transport Services. We are pioneers in the industry, equipped with 20 feet lorries, 40 feet prime mover lorries, boom trucks in the capacities of 3, 5 and 10 tons, self-loaders, cranes and forklifts. We are also in the service of buying and selling all types of containers, including office containers. We can even customize and modify the container space according to your requirement. Samansiri Transport Services for all your industrial transportation needs. Your call is important to us. Please hold.